In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can merge two different Google Forms. So let's say, for example, you have a quiz that you've made or a worksheet, and there's a different Google form that you want to copy into the current form that you're in. So maybe you created different versions of a quiz or worksheets, and now you want to join them without having to manually recreate each of the questions. Well, there is a way to do that, and we have to use this import function that Google Forms has. So start with the form that you want to add to. Once you have that open, you can go ahead and click on Import Questions. And you'll see that a pop-up appears and you can select another Google form where you have those questions. So I'm going to go ahead and use this worksheet Google form. And what you'll see on the right-hand side is that all of the questions from that worksheet Google form have now appeared. So you can select the questions that you want to use, or you can select all of them. I'm going to go ahead and just choose one of these, this paragraph question. And once you select it, you can go ahead and import it. Now, one thing that's important to note is that you can see that this question actually showed up right at the very top. And the reason for that is because I actually had my cursor highlighted on this very first heading space right here. So I'm going to go ahead and undo this. I'm going to do Command Z, and you can see the question went away. Let's say I want to add my question at the very end. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that very last question. And then I'm going to click the Import Question button. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my worksheet again. And I'll select that last question. I'll select a couple more just so you can see what that looks like. And we'll import it. And now you can see that those questions have been imported at the very end of the form. So you can do this with multiple forms. So if you had 3 different Google Forms that you wanted to merge into one, you could certainly do that. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and just send your students the link, or you can post it on Classroom, and you can share that new Google form with them.